Hey everybody, and welcome to the weekend. Quickly, I want to mention that, well, I didn't even get the chance to say it actually happened. Still have the cough. I'm basically done with everything else sick-wise. It's just this cough now. And also, I want to apologize for wearing this gray shirt the last couple days. But I just haven't been doing laundry, or at least put stuff in. I know it's just simple as putting it in and doing all the dials and stuff, depending on your washing machine. But really, the last few days I was so sick I barely got out of bed. And when I did get out of bed, it was to be on my desktop to play Minecraft. Because Minecraft is awesome and it's laggy on my laptop, so it's not like I could play it on my laptop. I had to play it on my desktop and stuff like that. God damn it! Oh, cough. Why, please? What am I trying to say? This thing better be gone by tomorrow, because I want to record. My God, please. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to record stuff. If I just throw a coughing fit, like, within the first minute of recording like I did in the vlog, I think it was only like 10 seconds with this vlog, but if I start throwing a coughing fit, like I probably am going to do, then son of a bitch, then I will not. Oh my god, fuck. Really, I should take medicine to help this, but I'm a stubborn ass and I don't like medicine, because I think my body can fight it by itself. And clearly that's not happening, so I'm probably gonna have to take a medicine. Oh god, please don't get sniffles again, please. My god, I don't want to be sick during my birthday. Which is actually coming up now since it's November. I nearly said October, that would have been so horrible. But yeah, birthday's coming up in like a couple weeks, so hooray. Although it's kind of saddening. Fuck me! I wanted to record, Animal Crossing New Leaf, but I still have Donkey Kong and Leaf Green still going on, which is why I want the sickness to be over, so I can finish recording them, focus, well, mainly finish Donkey Kong Country, Donkey Kong Country 2, finish the main story of Leaf Green, start doing New Leaf, and then eventually do After Game for Leaf Green, but my god, this cough, I swear to... Tomorrow, if this isn't gone, I swear I'm gonna be so mad. I'm gonna be mad.